Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent. Today we're checking out a beautiful Highland home. This home does not disappoint. I don't think Highland Homes has ever disappointed me, but we are located in Mustang Lakes. It is a really nice neighborhood in the border of Prosper and Celina. So if you're looking for something in that area, make sure you stick around. This is definitely one you do not want to miss. But the home that we're looking at today is the Plan 222. I will pull up all the information for you guys. The price point for this home is starting at $819,900. It is a 4 to 5 bedroom. Since this is a model plan, it can change. You can also have 3 to 4 baths, and you can have 2 half baths. And the square footage is around 3,600 square feet. It is a really nice home. The outside was really cool, nice and modern touch. None of that, red brick style that we have. More of like the older homes. This is a more contemporary style, which a lot more people are looking for. So we go up these stairs to check out the upstairs area. Really cool carpet. I have not seen something like this on stairs. I'm usually not the biggest fan of carpet, but it kind of is it looks like a rug on there, so I would not be opposed to having that on there. And then we walk into the first bedroom. This is honestly my favorite one besides the master bedroom. It is extremely spacious. If you're a family and you perhaps have a teenager, this would be an awesome bedroom for them. They have their own little living room area here, so they can set up a couch, invite their friends over, and feel like they have their own space. And of course, they still have room for a good sized bed. They have their own bathroom, so they don't have to share. So this is super neat for the price point. Or you can also use this for guests. Whenever you have family come over, they can have their full bedroom and living room area. But mostly people moving in are going to be families with kiddos, so that would be an awesome part for one of your kids. You do have this bedroom as well, which does have that bathroom right behind us, which again is super nice. This bedroom is super spacious. You can fit 2 nightstands, a big bed, and you do have a decent closet space as well. Every single bedroom up here has its own bathroom, which is really nice. For the price point, Highland Homes did not disappoint, and I think whenever you're getting a little bit closer to the millions, anything above really 800 to 900, I feel like everything should have its own bathroom, and definitely comes with this home. Now upstairs here, you have a nice small cozy living room where you can have some pool tables, couches, really cool hangout spot. And then you have the last bedroom on this side, which is probably going to be the smallest out of all of them, but you still have really good size closet. You can still fit a big enough bed in here, and also it does have its own bathroom. Like I said, definitely a plus. And if you do have guests up here and you don't want them to use any of the bedrooms, bathrooms, you do have this one for all the guests, half bath, which is super nice and convenient. Again, super cozy up here. You can fit 2 couches, kind of have a hangout room, maybe a little study area, whatever you guys would plan on doing. And then we'll walk downstairs to go check out the rest of the home. Another thing I really liked about this house is the formal dining room here in the middle. I love it a lot more whenever it's kind of in its own private section here, kind of cut off from the rest of the house. So it does make it a lot better, and it just feels a little bit more formal. And then we take a shot over here to the living room. Really high ceilings, beautiful windows letting in all that natural light. So on a sunny day, you might not even have to use any of the lights here. You do have a lot of counter space in your kitchen. You have this super wide island in the middle, and I'll show you guys all of the cabinet space you have in this kitchen. So if you are a cook, you got a big family, you're storing a lot of stuff. I feel like a lot of the moms out there have a ton of dishes, cups, silverwares, everything that they kind of collect for their kitchen. You can fit it all in here and organize it all nice and neat. And here's a shot of your breakfast nook. And then we'll head over to the backyard so you can kind of see what it looks like. Nice and covered patio, so you can hang out here while it's raining, perhaps kind of look at the thunder. And then we'll come back inside and take a look at the rest of the home. Now another cool shot is that really nice marble fireplace. Not sure if that actually is marble, but it looks beautiful, adds to that contemporary modern style of the house. And then this is gonna be the master bedroom. So again, you have a ton of space, enough room for a couch, big chair there, 2 big nightstands, big bed, and then you have your really nice master bathroom. So you have a really cool tub right in the middle here. You have a his and her sink. That side is gonna have a lot more space so she can do their makeup and everything. You have your toilet here, and then his sink, a lot smaller, less space that you need. Us guys don't really need that much. And then you have a beautiful walk-in closet with so much space so you can fit all of your outfits. If you are interested in this house in particular, or any other house in this neighborhood or the surrounding areas, please give me a call. I would love to help you find your future home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the closing table.